Welcome to Session 9, Perimeter and Area on the Coordinate Grid. Coordinates do not replace geometry formulas. They supply the measurements those formulas need. First, determine side lengths, bases, and perpendicular heights. Then apply the formula that matches the requested quantity. Today, we will measure rectangles, triangles, and slanted sides, while keeping linear and square units distinct. A rectangle has vertices -2, 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, and -2, 5. Its width is the horizontal difference, 6. Its height is the vertical difference, 4. Perimeter equals 2 times 6 plus 2 times 4, or 20 units. Area equals 6 times 4, or 24 square units. The same dimensions serve two different questions. For triangle 0, 0, 8, 0, and 3, 5, use the horizontal side as base. Its length is 8. The perpendicular height is the vertical distance from y equals 0 to y equals 5, so it is 5. Area equals 1/2 times 8 times 5, or 20 square units. The slanted side is not the height because it is not perpendicular to the base. When a perimeter includes a slanted side, use the distance formula. From 1, 1 to 4, 5, the horizontal and vertical changes are 3 and 4, so the side length is 5. Axis-aligned sides use one absolute difference. Diagonal sides use the square root of squared changes. Add every boundary segment exactly once. Avoid two classification traps. Perimeter traces the boundary and ends in plane units. Area covers the interior and ends in square units. For triangles, a height must meet the chosen base at a right angle, even if that height falls outside the drawing. On a grid, horizontal bases pair naturally with vertical heights, making perpendicularity easy to see. Use this routine. Identify perimeter or area, label every required dimension, calculate lengths from coordinates, apply the geometry formula, and verify units. Final check. A rectangle from x equals -1 to 5 and y equals 2 to 6 has width 6 and height 4, so its area is 24 square units. Next, we will move entire figures using coordinate transformation rules. www.bridge2exam.com